Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Fastmail and Proton Mail, two of the most popular private email services in 2025. Both focus on privacy, but they're built for different types of users. Let's start with Fastmail. Fastmail is an Australian-based email provider that's been around for over 20 years. It's fast, reliable. What makes it stand out is its productivity features. You get powerful search, custom domains, rules for automation, calendars, and contact syncing. It also supports open standards like IMAP and JMAP, so your data works well with other apps. Now, Proton Mail. Proton is based in Switzerland and is best known for end-to-end encryption. Emails between Proton users are automatically encrypted, and you can even send password-protected emails to people outside Proton. It doesn't log IP addresses, it's protected by Swiss privacy laws, and it ties into Proton's ecosystem with Proton Drive and Proton VPN. So, which one is better? If you want productivity and workflow tools like filters, calendars, and custom domains, Fastmail is the stronger option. But if your top priority is privacy and security, with full end-to-end encryption, Proton Mail is the clear winner. Both are excellent choices. It just depends on whether you value productivity or maximum privacy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons, and let me know in the comments which one you'd pick.